again, the storm is finally upon us, the one that they have been talking about all week. It is Thursday evening, left the house at 5 o'clock, and I've made it about halfway on my supposedly 5-minute drive, and I'm already 30 minutes in. Traffic is moving extremely slow, and we will see what happens on this one. It keeps changing back and forth between a lot of snow and a little snow, long storm, short storm, so I honestly don't know what we're going to get on this one. Like I say on pretty much all of them, I'll know when it stops how much snow we get, and I'll know when it stops when it stops. So for now, I'm headed in. Hopefully I get there soon, and we'll see what tonight will bring.
A few inches later.
So far so good. Snowing pretty good. Just doing the walkways a little bit, just to keep them a little bit clear. Haven't called the shovelers in yet because honestly, truthfully, I don't want to burn them out too early. Shoveling snow isn't fun, I get it. So I'll leave them go a little bit longer if I can. If it just means doing a couple of these walkways every once in a while, it's not so bad. It's now 7 o'clock. It's snowing pretty good. I've scraped everything once already, and it already doesn't look like I did it, so gonna be a fun one. So that's 2 walkways down and a sidewalk, part of the parking lot scraped, but again, it doesn't really look like I did anything. So we'll keep at it, go from there, see what tonight brings. coming out with the loader, I think. Got some energy drinks that somebody stopped off and gave us, so I'm gonna give him one of those. He likes them. I'm not a huge fan of them. Guess I could open the gate for Gary. So it is now 9:45, still snowing, still going. Slowed down a little bit, but it's supposed to pick back up again here very shortly, so we'll see what happens in the next couple hours. The last weather I just checked when the super stopped by was telling me 5 a.m. stop, which sucks.
It's a long road ahead.
That means it will be a 12-hour or better snowstorm.
Maybe.
And then however long it takes after that to clean it up. But it's definitely not coming down as hard as it was earlier, because at least now when I scratch something and back drag it and push it, it's staying fairly presentable for a little bit longer, so that's a good sign. If it would just stay like that for the rest of the night, we might actually get ahead of it a bit, so we'll see. There's honestly not much else we can do but that at this point. It's kind of what we do. You just kind of keep going until it's over. Sorry, I'm watching.
I'm sorry, we seem to be having some technical difficulties.
And with that, I just had my recording bumped by an emergency alert. I guess there was a man running around Cole Harbor with no shirt on.
What?
And a knife.
Wait, what?
Anyway, they've apprehended the suspect. So, no more danger to the public. Anyway, with that said, I'm gonna keep pushing, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Probably I'm just gonna do my thing, pop some tunes on, and wait for the sun to come up as I push this snow around. So we'll see you in a bit.
One eternity later.
So it is now 20:04 in the morning. We're still going, and it's still snowing. Still snowing quite hard, actually. So the night is getting quite long, with not much of an end in sight at the moment. So we'll see what happens here in the next couple of hours. Radars are indicating it could get lighter here in the next 2 hours, so we'll see what happens at that point. But as of right now, I just had to go grab a coffee. It is what it is, so we'll keep going. Hopefully it cleans up quick, but the wind's up now, so now it's blowing around a bit too, which could cause us some issues later on. So yeah, just a quick update. Still no better. This is definitely the worst storm of the year. That said though, as nasty as what it is, it's kind of pretty in a weird way. It's been a while since we had a snow quite like this. So yeah, even the main roads islands are not touched all that much, so I'm assuming all the plows are kind of doing what I did, just taking a little breather, waiting a few minutes to see what happens, and try to hit it all at once right before everybody starts moving around in the city. Okay, it is now 6:45. The snow is mostly stopped. It's just a little bit of blowing snow now. So just working away now at getting some of the substations done, getting those cleaned up, and get some salt laid on the other sites. It's looking like at this point we're not going to get everything done today, but we'll see. We may have to throw in the towel for today and come back out tonight, but we'll see how much of this we get done before everybody starts wanting to go home. But right now it's looking like we still got a lot of work left, and a lot of snow to move, a lot of piles to move. So anyway, I'm gonna get at this, start cleaning this one up, then I'll move on to the other end and get that side. Lyle with the salt truck, Vern with the big loader and the push blade. So it is now 20 after 8. The sun is shining, it's beautiful, and I'm down at 5 Islands. Just trying to get this one done now and then head back to see how the boys are making out in Lakeside. But what a difference from yesterday to today. Anyway, let's get this done and over with. What a difference a day can make. So that's 5 Islands done. Just gotta lock the gate back up, and get out of here. But oh, it does not like to move when it's frozen. Yeah, so I'll get this lock back up, head back to Lakeside, check on that, see how the guys made out there and finished up. Probably have to get some of that snow off the back of my truck at some point too, but man, look at this weather now. Blue skies and beautiful, love it. So now it is 22:11. I broke my plow blade and I'm going home. I'm gonna come back out after supper. I want to go home, grab a quick bite to eat, take a little nap, come back out, jump in the loader, and get that snow moved that's all piled up out front, and probably clean up some other ones. A bunch of guys are going to come out tonight, give me a hand. So for now, we're going to call that a video, I think. It was quite the evening. The loader broke. The mechanics are working on that right now. Blew a hydraulic line to the main drive. So they're getting one made up now for that. So it's back up and running for me tonight. And I said, don't worry about my plow blade. If I have to grab another one, I'll just grab one off another truck tonight. But I don't think I should have to. I think I can get most of it with the loader. So, yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know the drill. And we'll see you guys tonight. Stay safe, everybody. That was a heck of a storm. I hope everyone fared well with it and did not get in any major accidents. I know there was a lot of fender benders on this one. She was pretty rough. Anyway, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Alto. Don't act funny, you need my money. Don't come back, don't keep that dummy. What you got, don't need that honey. Keep that dummy, keep that dummy. Don't act funny, you need my money. Don't come back, don't keep that dummy. What you got, don't need that honey. Keep that dummy, keep that dummy. Iced tea chillin', sit back and recline. Keep bad vibes on your side of the line. Don't call my phone, yeah, I'm doing fine. Look at the time, run with the lime. What you got? I don't need it, I don't want it. What I got?